Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major currency pairs, commodities, as well as US 30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for an financial investment, and I'm teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodities market and how I'm trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott-ian trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from that experienced trader through comments in my post about Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day, and I won't trade according to fundamental and sentimental. So I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who are losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. And I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans and explained here. So this is our watch list, and I deleted the S&P 500. So DXY, Euro USD, JPP USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, US 30. So let's move on to the DXY first. The same, no change and no view changed from my previous analysis. The positional chart. So this is an ABC. It's finished, and we are in the correction pattern. It's a 5-wave corrective structure. It's a WX, ABC is the Y is completed, and X is also completed as an irregular flat, expanded flat. So now we are going to break this high 103.82. That is my positional target. So as per this, after the X once completed, we need ABC to complete the structure for Z. So here what happened here is, I will show you in the daily chart. This is A, B, C is the A, and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C is over. So here one A, B, C is completed. After that, this becomes a W, because A, B, C is already A is over. So B is also completed in the 3-way structure. C is in the wedge formation, or it could be an ending diagonal. So once the A, B, C is over, this becomes W, and beyond the X wave. So this Y wave is also splitted into WXY formation. So this A is a complete A. I will show you here. This is the completion of the A. ABCA, ABCB. Okay, so here is a A, here is a B, and ABC is a A. So B, and now here is a W, and the X I'm expecting as a expanded flat, sorry, expanded triangle. So this is what I expected. That is why I have already showed that chance for making a new low to 94.5. The previous low was 94.62, or yeah, that is 94.62. So it has to break that. That is why I have mentioned that it has for chances for making a new low. So now what I'm expecting here is, it's an expanded triangle. It's already came in the GBP USD So this is a B and C in the form of, here it's a B, C and D is completed here, and E. Now it may finish or may not. From here it can go a little bit further down also, but the pattern is confirmed because it's already broken that low. So this is an expanded triangle. Expanded triangle means it can go above, C can go above the A wave and E has to go above the C wave. So in that also, so below the C wave and this is above the A wave, B, D. So A, B, C, D and E. So once it is completed means here it's a X has completed. So once this finished, it's little bit, one more little bit wave may be there, but the pattern remains same. After that I need a three-way structure to complete the pattern to break this 103.82. So now I am expecting a bullish scenario in the three-way structure to break that. So that is my view as per this pattern. So whether from here it can move in the three-way structure from here like this, and what we have to do is it may be also converted into WXY also, but unexpected if it drops like this is also possible. So that time this expanded flat become invalid, expanded triangle get invalid and some other pattern will do. So from here to here is a confirm. So from here to here is 100 is for minimum, it has to reach that 99 in this zone. Once this is confirmed in this wave, how it is aggressive. So whether this wave is in 5 waves and again 3 waves, 5 waves, like that it has to move. So whether if it is I place as a W, X, A, B, C in a 3-way structure, so it has to do like that to complete that structure. So once this is completed, that 5-way corrective structure has been ended. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, this is not the wave count. What I'm trying to say is this is not the wave count. Just for a swing I'm explaining. So this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth swing. So has to complete here. Once this is completed, I need a drop. So that we will see later. So for this week I'm expecting this. And the previous what I said is there is a chances for making to do like this for 98.3 and then it has to come to like this also. That was my previous plan and it broken this low, and after that also I'm expecting a irregular flat can happen, but it never happened that. So that got invalid now. That is why I'm every time I this expecting, because the downtrend is cleared, that we know downtrend is happen. So that time expecting the pullback, we don't need to be in buy side. Now we have to be in buy side, that we know. See, from here the trend line and it never break that. So now what I'm expecting here is we can change like this also. So once if it break that is consider may go to above that also, or this kind of trend line also if it happens here. That is why I am expecting that first time I told that it may be 98.3 like that, and then again if it broken this zone, I'm expecting the irregular flat as a running flat, it may at least reach the 97. But here it's already a simple correction made. It's a irregular flat B, and C is completed. So now it is in the diagonal formation. This wave is a diagonal formation. It's keep graining without any pullback. It reached that. So this is a diagonal formation in the Y wave. Each wave got an ABC1, ABC2 like that. So as per my view, now it is in bullish. So let's move on to Euro USD. So Euro USD also, I changed this W, same plan, there is no change in that. According to that DXY also, we can make it as an swing also like that. This is an alternative count, this also valid. But what I said in the DXY is this A, B, C and ABC, B, 1 2 3 4 5, C is maybe an ending diagonal. So after once this completed, it's a W, and now it is in that expanded triangle. Now here is a from here. So A, B, C is A, B, C, D, E is completed. Now I am expecting a drop to the downside to break this low. So once this breaks the low, means the DXY also has to break that 103.82. So now this is a valid count. So either we can make it as an 1 2 3 4 5 like that also in the diagonal Y wave, or it could be an ABCA. What I said, it's a W, then X, ABC. So this wave may be in three-way structures, or it could be a diagonal also. So I think this will be like this. If it is, means that is very tough to trade here. If it is a free fall, that is easy to trade. But if it comes like this kind of wave formation, it's very tough to trade here. Just we need to enter. I already entered in that at 1.1585. I already entered. Now I switch to that 4 hours. Yeah, and I have already shared my view in the trading view and my Facebook page, everything. This is in W, X is a triangle. So whether if a triangle is ended here or here, that is valid for this A. So 1 2 3 4 5, or this could be inside interior 1 2 3 wave count can be reached this as an A. The 5 waves completed here. So A, B, C, D, E. In previous I took it as a different count, and I am expected how that the DXY I expected that 98.3. At the time I had an idea it may break this low also. So now my changed my wave count, and I stick to the ABCD. E is a B is a triangle. Now C is a 1 2, so 3 completed, and I expected the 4 has to come, but it's a simple, it did a simple. So whether maybe I think it can do like this also in the coming week, and then it can do like so. Either this is also possible. So anyway, that sell is nearing, but I already sold at 1.1585, and I'm expecting still it may reach that 1.68 here. So in this zone I'm expecting, and there is an major bearish trend line in the positionals coming there, and with the channel this. So I'm expecting a, at least it has to reach 1 point, this zone, that is 1.1680. so let's see this week, and once if it reach there, I will again sell one more at 1.1680, and I just leave that, and I won't do anything because my target is to the downside to break this. So if it is coming very aggressively, I will leave that. Otherwise, if it doing like three kinds of structures, I have to watch and then exit and entry. I will do like that. Here I did the same thing every three waves, but only 2 and 3 days I took this for the whole things. So it's a little bit messy kind of structure. So let's see, and GBP, we will move on to GBP USD. So in that also, my previous view was a B as a triangle. So what I did is, this is an A. So A, B, C, D, and I expecting from here to come to this zone, and I will enter once if it break this D wave high, because in past A, B, C, D, so I'm expecting that E wave to reach here 1.2450. I'm very eagerly to take that trade, making as a stop loss as this, but I won't trade the GBP pairs. But this pattern looks like maybe a triangle, so if it comes like this, we can make a stop loss here, and if we want add above this zone, but it never came this zone. From the past week, it already broken this high, so then that pattern get invalid, the triangle what I'm expected. So now I just took it as a regular flat, because DXY is also reached the zone, but it never went to that 1.36 what I'm expecting. That EU reached that 1.1650, but at the time this has to move after the what I expecting is, once it make a triangle, the fast if it break the triangle, that wave maybe this kind of aggressive movement. So what I think, if it comes to here, we can buy that with making a stop loss for the huge risk reward. But what we expecting, it won't happen, right? So we are getting ready to for the pattern to valid for our entry, but it never happened. This is why what I'm expecting, once the pattern we found, maybe a B, C, D, E, I'm expecting the E has to reach this zone, but it never came. So I didn't took this as an E, because I'm not so satisfied with that, because it's already we are in the irregular flat here, and it's a very small E. E will do like that only, but even though it is very small, and I'm not so satisfied with this to force this chart as an E wave. So I'm expecting only here. So now my wave view is changed. At the time itself, here is then making a 5-wave structure. From here also, in previous, what I thought it could be an ABC also. So from here we can talk, but now after this wave formation, I make it as an 1 2 3 4 5 is A, B, C is also 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So that is why I have marked this as a 3, but in the night, so it made a high also here. Okay, so here is an 1 2 3 4. So fifth way is an 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth way is also completed here for this 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a bigger tree. for this 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting a fourth wave. So it may reach here, but that is the question mark. Yesterday I shared to that. So now it may be a fourth wave, or it could be an irregular flat, and again it can make little bit consolidation, and then it can do like one more high also. But the previous high, if it breaks, means that will become an irregular flat. I will explain you, because I kept this as an A now. So whole thing is A, B, C. So the three-way structure is become A. So now we are in the B wave. So if it break this high, that will become a B as an irregular flat. So after that it may be a running flat. That is why I am explained here. If it didn't break this high, the confirm is it has to break this low. If it already breaks this high, so then that will become a running flat. Or it could be, if it expanded flat, means it can break this. So now I am expecting a three most wave structure to the downside is my view, because DXY has reached that major support zone. Euro USD has been in the resistance zone. At the time this GU also in resistance zone, the major resistance zone. Here, see, there is a massive resistance zone in daily. Just we will move this. See, this is a massive resistance zone in the daily. So now I am expecting a rejection, because if it is a triangle, it will break all those things. It never mind that. But at the same time, I correlated to the DXY. And Australian dollar is in resistance zone. New Zealand dollar is also in resistance zone. DXY reached the support. EU reached the resistance. So this time I'm expecting a little bit messy kind of or overlapping waves like that, but the correction wave has to happen here. So once this W here is X, and I'm expecting a Y wave to that 1.36 in future. So right now I'm expecting a Y wave to this downside. Maybe it could be a, if it is an irregular flat, it won't be a much overlapping or messy kind of things. But if it is in regular flat, that will took a 5-way quadratic structure, and it may be a deeper correction also to 1.16 also. So let's move on Australian dollar. One second. Yeah. So Australian dollar also, it already reached the major resistance zone here, exact resistance zone. So within this zone it has to decline. So now the wave count for me is, and I already shared my view, we can label it as anything. So this whole thing's become A, B, C is a B is a structure of B is a triangle, and if it is a triangle means B, C we have the 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an intermediate wave of 3, 1, 2, 3, and the whole thing becomes 4, the dotted lines, the whole thing becomes a 4. I already watched that A, B, C, D and E. So this is the end of this structure, and the impulsive wave start. So this only alert me, because I already exactly I sold at here 70, nearly only the 13 pips is for the high. Yeah, 83 I sold at 7.170. So only this is the thing show me. So whether it could be, I changed my count here also. You just have a look for the previous. After that only I come to a conclusion. So this could be in 1, 2, 3. The whole thing is a 4, and the fifth wave is a very impulsive wave. And we got an doji kind of candlestick pattern before this engulfing, and this is the candlestick pattern, the doji, and the rejection. And now I will show you in the 1 hour. It's a leading diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is also got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will show you in the 15 minutes also. So this is the leading diagonal. So once the leading diagonal occur means this pattern is already trend reversal is happening here. That same kind of formation, the Australian dollar, it happened in daily here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is also a leading diagonal. So this only show this every time that Australian dollar is showing that leading diagonal only. See here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So every time that trend reversal occurring, the character of that Australian dollar is the leading diagonal. So I found that and I caught that. So now I'm expecting here is a trend reversal. So again I will add if it reached that 0.7130 in this zone. So if it is struggling here, I will definitely again I will add, but the adding positions I will place a stop loss here. What I did at the 0.7170, I won't make a stop loss, but for what I am adding, that I will make a stop loss of this as an stop. For that, this is a trend reversal, so it could be in what I said in the previous my positional view. It has to reach, it has to break again this, because this is also in 5-way corrective structure. It's a 1, 2, 3 is over here, and the fourth is in play. So whether this has to happen to break this low, to break, or it could be a little bit consolidation and then it can break. So that we will see, because I took it as an Y and that X wave is finished. This is a connecting wave. Here is one more connecting wave. So this is also connecting wave of X for the follower of the Z wave. This one. So this is an X wave and again downward. Otherwise, at least it can retest the 50% and then it can make one more high. After that also it has to reach this, break this low. So that is my view, but let's see. But definitely from here it has to drop at least 50% for that previous bullish swing. So let's see how it will happen here, and we will go on to New Zealand. So that is also I exactly catch the top as of now. And one thing, see in the daily also it is looking bearish here. Every time it reaches the high, it is making a sharp red candle, bigger candle. The one thing is engulf and the next thing is a hammer, and the next candle is also bearish. So let's see how it will move here, this zone. So let's move on to the weekly chart. Yeah, let's little bit selling pressure is there, but it's not in red candle. So let's move on to New Zealand. That same kind of formation in daily. Yeah, same. It's a two hammers. One is a little bit green body, and the next one is a very bearish candle. It's a very valuable, I think so. And let's move on to the 4 hour. That same, we can make it as an A, B, C as a A, and B or X, and if it is 1 2 3 4 5 is over here 3, so 1 2 3, and the fourth wave is a very beautiful triangle here. See, this ABC is A, so this is also an A B C D E. What I said is, in the past, this I took it as a third wave, and fourth wave and fifth wave has to come to the upper side. What I said that last week, like that only. So now, after the conclusion of that Australian dollar also, this is third, fourth is ended here, and as of now, what I saw in that Australian dollar also, same thing, it's an aggressive move here, and here also exact the 5S is over here, and this is also the same thing of leading diagonal. The 1 2 3 4 and 5 here also. So if we took it as in 15 minutes, I'll show you. See, first wave, second wave is in running flat, third wave is completed, fourth wave is maybe a triangle, and fifth wave is ended. Now we are in the correction wave. So this is also a leading diagonal in the A wave, and here also, see, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, one two three four five. Okay, so let's move on to next. So this is also the same thing. I already shorted at 6677 here itself. I started, yeah, 6677, and it went to 6690. Okay, so now we move on to USD JPY. So that is also, I bought at 100, and after the break of this, I bought at 105.8 here, because it's an aggressive move, and you just recheck with my previous analysis. I told there is no trade between this here. I am already in buy at 108.60, that you know very well. And if it broke this only, I will be in buy side. So if it break the low, consider the Y on duty. So if it reach this zone only, I will be in buy side. So everything I already pre-planned everything, and now I will show you that it's already, this is my previous plan. So I have a lot of plan in that possibility. So now how it happened means, simply the X is in triangle. So A B C is a A. So A B C is a B, C, here is the D, and here is the E. So the whole thing is a triangle here to here. So W, A B C D E X, and here's ABC is A, ABC is a B, and C. So it will break that low. So now it is valid to aggressive move to the upper side. So this complete whole pattern is completed. So we can see right now also, in past I did like this of kind of triangle. Now I got a new idea also. So this becomes WEX. So this becomes a A also. So A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, this becomes a triangle also. Wow. This becomes a triangle. Here. So A, and we have to so this is an B, yeah. So A, so B is a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. W, X, A, B, C, D, E, yeah, A, B, and then C. It's already break this low. Yeah, that is valid. This is also valid count. So maybe it can drop, but this is also an triangle formation and then break. Yeah, this is also nice, and we can make it as an X here also. That becomes A, B, C, A, B, and C. So both are valid only. So now what I'm expecting here from here to here is it has to shoot the previous high. So that is also an aggressive move, because the late night it moved, because I didn't saw that. So let's see on 15 minutes. Yeah, it's quite good. Let's see how it moves this week. Maybe it can be a one more drop, so I have to look for the intermediate waves. 1, 2. So that will took time. So we will move on to the next pair. Here I will show you that daily chart. See, this is an 5-wave aggressive movement. Is a A, B, C is a W. So AX, again A. So B is a triangle, C drop. So once this pattern is completed, now it has to total is A, B, and C. So now the correction pattern is completed. Whether it is getting ready from here, it has to move to break this high, and my positional view is this whole structure it has completed. So now it has to break. My plan is it has to break this 118.7, but it can reach up to this also, and then making a bigger triangle also. So that we will later see. Right now it is getting ready to shoot. First target is above that 112.26. Sorry, this one. First, this one 111.7, and the next target is 114, like that. But the wave formation we have to watch. So this is that beautiful trade setup in UJ. So once the UJ is getting ready to shoot, means gold, silver has to come down. So stock has to go up. So JPY may get, for according to, otherwise in this thing US dollar can be again against the JPY. It may be a JPY is also maybe a strong, or USD also a strong, means that will get struck a little bit messy kind of things, and JPY can be more stronger other pairs, but compared to USD may be a stronger. So understand this correlation between those things. So once I told, no, stock can go higher, but stock can come to the downside also. What I said, one more low is there for to reach the US 30, to reach the 24 below, 24,000 below. So at that time USD and JPY can be strong also, but JPY will lose strength against the dollar. So that you have to see. And we will move on to USD CHF. That same thing what I explained that day. I am expecting a irregular flat. It already, if it broken, that's as a running flat or an expanded flat, but it done a running flat and then it came down and it's already broken this low here. So that is now valid, and this is also a three-way structure is completed. The W, X, ABC is a Y, and A, B, C, the X as in a running flat, and Y is in the way. So it's a lot of times this chef is making a double top like this. And the low is 182, and here the low is 9198 low. So like lot of times it's making a double top like this. We'll see here, it's going near to the top and then failure, and here also it's going. I'll remove this. See here, lot of time doing like this only, and here also see it moved. So let's see, I'm thinking it has to again to reach 1 from here to here is around 800 pips. This kind of aggressive move has to happen here. So now it is getting ready, but if it breaks this, that is a question mark for me. Again it may be a running flat, and if it did, and if it breaks this low, there is a lot of possibilities again one more low is there. So because it's did the same thing here also, the low is 9187 and here the low is 9182. So here it does the valid pattern for all those things. X, ABC, it's a counting wave, and again ABC. So exactly it break this low and made a low. So again I think it may not break this low. If it breaks means the whole pattern will change. So I'm 99% bias on it has to go without breaking this. So if it breaks means I need to think after the YouTube this session what kind of wave it may next, what will be the next. So next we will move on to USD CAD. So this is also so very interesting. I'm already in the buy from this FOMC, and I exited the position here, and after that I exited the position here, bought and I exited here, and after that I didn't done anything, just 1 or 2 trades here I did. After this, if it break this, I am in the buy side around 500 or 475. Yeah. After that also I again added at 420. Here I added my position at 420. In this zone I added. So consider this could be an end of the 5th wave. I added here, and again it went to the downside. Let's see how it moves, because I already showed my view in my pages. So now I am expecting this is in W end of the, because see here one ABC is over. So now I am not, see if it is coming to the downside like the DXY, it has to come down. See, from this kind of, if it is a one more wave to the downside, it has to come within this structure. It came down like that. In USD CAD also, if it is in a 5-wave corrective structure, it don't want to make this kind of structure here. It has to down from here itself aggressively, otherwise this kind of 3 waves like that. But no need to make this kind of, it's looking like a head, left shoulder and right shoulder, and this is the neck point. So this could be invalid, means if it breaks this head, or if it breaks this neckline, to valid for that head and shoulder pattern. So now I am expecting this could be a double bottom, and then again I am expecting the wave to the formation, and this is a harmonic pattern also. It's a AB and this is a CD, like that. So here it can make a irregular flat also, like this, and then it can be bounced for an running flat, or it could be an expanded flat also. Once again, just added. So this is my view in UCAD. So first target is it has to reach that 1.38. This is a massive support zone. Now previous it was support, now it is acting as a resistance. So that was I have so you once, if you are to learn, means you have to read carefully the market commentary what I did, then only you can understand. Even though if it is a beginner also, you just trying to this and don't trade like what I am showing here. So don't trade blindly what I have shown here as I'm drawing the lines. So everybody what they will thought is, okay, here Vijay's view is it has to reach that 1.380, we can buy it here, but I won't make any stop loss. I won't give any stop loss. I won't place a stop loss also. See, and I will show you in that this thing. And what will be the next? I'll show you in the gold chart. Okay, this all completed USHF. So now we move on to gold. So this will look a little bit nearly, because I need to explain. Several times I explained my positional view. So once again I will repeat that. See, from that 1776 something it did the high. So this could be a 1 or A, and this could be an 3 or W, because here is a confusion for me. So whether this is an wave 1, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 means this could be a bigger 3. But here what I'm explaining you here is this A, B is exactly at one level, it got a rejected, and if it is a B, C is A means B is a triangle and C is shorted. So, and in that perspective also, if we keep this A and B as a triangle here, it's exactly at the one level. So what I'm thinking is this could be an A, B, C, A, and B is a triangle, C is an 5-way structure completed here, this whole thing becomes a flat correction. So if it is a W means, so here already A, B, C is a B is the triangle C. So it could be a W also, and we need to trade the X wave. So whether if it is a regular flat, it don't want to break that previous high of 1924.6 something, yeah, 1920.94. It don't want to break this. So then if it didn't break this high, then definitely we have to break this low as a regular flat. But if it is a triangle kind of formation in the X wave means this is a, it can be again it can break this high, then it become an irregular flat also. There is a chances, or there is a chances for that making a triangle also here. And the same thing, if it break means we will expectation our, for me it's a next thing is only a triangle, because in the next alternative this could be a third wave means fourth wave could be a triangle also, or if it is a W means the X wave could be a triangle also. So from here I am expecting a triangle, or in a rare case if it didn't break this high, if it drop means there is a lot of chances to break this 1046 low. So that become a regular flat. So this everybody, see, I am explaining that lot of people get, once it reach means it will go to 2000 or 2100, 2500, 3000. So that current fundamental is also not suit for the dollar. So gold has to shoot because of this pandemic crisis, whatever what you can do. Same scenario, forget about this gold. The same thing in UCAD. I will show you that. That is why I have searched and then I explain. Here I have posted this on 17th of March. Yeah, here is the date. Yeah, 22nd on March 2020 this year, before the 4 months. Once it gets shooted from here, everybody asked me why this is a very bullish and it will reach to 1.62, because that next resistance zone is 1.62. Definitely it has to shoot, but don't be into the crowd. Just leave the crowd. What you are analyzing, that confident in that, then only you have to make money. So look at this, what I said. If it breaks the high and fall means irregular flat possible, or without break and fall means it's a regular flat. It has to break that 1.261. Both are valid here. So what now, as per now it came down. So what happened to that 1.62 now? I posted at 22nd of March. It is in TradingView. You just have a look there. I posted that. It didn't break this high and it fall from here. So at that time our psychological effect is it has to break this and it will reach to the 1.62. It's not like that. If you are an Elliott-Tishan trader, you know how the behavior of the character of the C wave. C wave, it will shoot. Example, now it is silver is doing the same thing. Everybody looking the candlestick and the aggressive movement, retail or trapping by the big institutions and the big players. Don't trade like this kind of without knowing anything. So this is the example. That is why I searched that trade signal in my 2000 charts, and now I am just showing to here. This is a great example for you. It's not for me. It is also my experience. Whenever I am watching that silver, everybody telling it will reach to that $50 or $30, and gold will reach to the $3,000, $2,500 like that. It's not that kind of wave formation here. That see, This is a people psychological. The chart representing the psychology of the public, retail traders, and whoever it is, retail traders or big institution, whatever it is, it won't tell lie. So understand the concept and understand the structure behind that market. It's psychological. So this is a great example. So whenever you are in the crowd, you won't hear your mind voice. Stay away. So that is my request. So don't panic. See, if I'm not in the trade here, I'm not in the trade in gold now, but in that silver I'm expecting. I already placed that 23.450 I have placed, and 23.750 I placed the sell order, and the next is 24.150 I place a sell order, not in gold. So from here itself, it's a great example. And one more I will show you that once the Bitcoin, this is in the from 14th of, I have showed that Bitcoin's target is 18,500. See here, seems the fifth way like a diagonal pattern, and it could end at 18,900 to 19,500. But this time everybody shouted it will reach 50,000, it will reach 1 lakh 50,000. That people very well about the Bitcoin. But what is my target? 18,500 to 19,500. So what happened now? That the high was 19,300 and 19,400. So what happened to the crowd now? They shouted, right, 50,000, 1 lakh. What happened to that? Now it's trading at 9,500. Same level. So don't get attacked by, and you will trapped by the big peoples, big institutions. So this is a great example what I am showing. So now we will look on to that 15-minute chart. See what I said. Here is WX. So ABC is the 1. Previous I took it as ABC here as a 1. So the A is previous here, B was here, and this as a 1, this as a 2, this as a 3, and I have marked the question mark whether the third wave is got ended here or this is the end of the third wave. Like that, see, I have marked here 3 or 5. So now I get into the deeply. So this WX, so ABC means we have to be placed as a Y, and then X and Z. So from here it has to come down, but what happened here, it already shooted and it already broke. So we need to be a flexible wave count. So how it is going to that? So the Y wave, see, you can make it as an A, B also. The C is a now ending diagonal. So what I am thinking is that Y as an, I kept as a Y as an ending diagonal. So 1, 2. Here is A, B, C. The third way is over. And here A, B, C, 4 is over. And we will get into the 4 reverse. From here, the fourth wave is ended. And fifth wave. The fifth wave is also got an ABC, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a A. It's a B. C got on 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3. And yesterday I told from here to here it can maybe a little bit consolidation or a triangle can happen, and one more way to the upper side is possible. So right now also I am thinking it may top here or little bit consolidation in this zone, maybe this week, the whole week, coming week, and then it can shoot, because there is a no data here in that forex factory. There is no more news, fundamental news to boost the gold, but it's going on the China and the US. So let's see what happened here. I'm not so confident, because this B can be ended here also. See, A, B, C, D, E. So the whole wave can be ended here also. So if it is a consolidation and then it has a one more wave to the upper side is possible to break that high of 1920, or may not. So stay away from here. But if you are an aggressive trader, if you have a bigger account, according to the money management you can short, but it may go to 9150 also, sorry, 2150 also for the, if it is an irregular flat. So what is meant by the irregular flat, and how you projected that irregular flat? Once again I will show you that also. So if it is an irregular flat, simply we have to FIB retracement of high 1920 to 1046. So it will become around 2150 is 1272. Here it's coming, it's 2150. So it can reach up to that also. But what is the structure say? It has to come down in three ways. Whether it is a triangle or if it is an irregular flat. Only if it is an regular flat, it has a chances to break this 1040. So let's move on to silver. See here, that is also I showing you. This is an ABC is over. How that Euro USD is now? It is an expanded triangle. Here is an expanded flat. So once the ABC ended here is a W. So one more ABC is a W, and the X is an irregular flat, and then that the whole W, this blue X is an irregular flat as an expanded flat. So from here I am expecting to the downside to break this 11. So that is my view. So it can go up to this 24 or 25, whatever it is. It is an expanded flat and it has to reach to the downside to break this 11,600 once again. That is my bias. So if I am wrong, I am not shorting this, but I already placed that. I will keep on watching. See, if I place that as 23.450 and 23.750 and 24.150, so the total 3 lots positions, I will keep watching. It won't go like this. This is a C wave. This is not a third wave. C wave only, it will aggressively move like this. Whatever C wave. See, this is the C wave. This is the C wave. C wave only move like this, not the third wave. So these are all the, maybe a third wave here. If it is shooting, that is a C. So let's move on to the 4-hour chart and I will explain you here. This is an A, B, C. So we can do it as an W, and this is a X. Again A, B is a triangle, and here I will show you the 1 hour in one more forex.com, I think so. Yes. See here. This is an A, B, C. A, B, C is a A. Whole thing becomes a B is a triangle. C, 1 is a leading diagonal. 2, 3, 4 is in progress. Whether it is a triangle, it's looking like that. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, and one more E, and then it can shoot to the high side, higher, and I already placed that, and then it will trigger. It has to come down. See, if we making it as an W, X, I will make it as an A, B, C is a 1, 2 like that. So both are valid. But this is a simple one. This is a regular flat correction. A, B, C, A. So B, C. And here also say B, C is a zigzag pattern. Zigzag, what is the character of the A is a 5 waves. 3 is a B is a 3-way structure. It's a triangle is a 5-way structure. A, B, C, D, E. And again 3. So that zigzag pattern, the 5 waves, the B wave retraced only 38.2, below the 38.2. So it never reached the 38.2 also, and it shooted. So the whole thing becomes a zigzag, and this is also 5, 3, 5 and 3. Sorry, 3, 3 and 5. That is a flat. So now the wave 1, wave 2 is completed, third is also completed, fourth is in maybe a triangle, and then it can shoot up to that for that fifth wave. Then it has to be to break this 11,600. That is my target. So let's move on to Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, it's not breaking that what I said. It's broken this wedge formation now, but it's not the high. So I'm not trading nowadays. I'm not watching also. Right now is the bigger triangles going on. That we know. Here that is a break, but we can do it like this. If it broken means here, and then again the bigger triangle will follow. So whether this is an from here, maybe if it is an end of the fourth, I have already told that it's the fourth and the fifth aggressive fall A, B, C. Okay, so it could be an X, A, B, C also. It's looking like a triangle, but it's not valid, right? If it break this also, then only the whole thing becomes a pennant formation, and it could be in a triangle also. But my bias is it has to reach to the downside, at least here, this zone. But I won't be in sell or buy because it has to break this 8,100. Then only that is valid to the downside again. So let's move on to US 30. And one more crude is there. Yeah, I will show you that. After one completed, I will show you the crude. We will move on to the crude also. So this is a bigger view. So once A, B, C is completed as a, so I took it as a flat correction now. So A, B, C, A. So B has to come to the downside. So in that bigger picture, this is an aggressive 5-way movement. 5-way structure is A. This is also 5-way structure as an intermediate wave A. And this becomes a W. What I thought here is also triangle valid. So what I thought it's a B is a triangle, C can go up to above this 26,787, and then it may fall. But here that B wave become an irregular flat. So this W, this is a X. So A, B, C, what I already did the same, it's coming there. So now it could be a little bit of pullback, and then it can form because if it is in W, again X, A, so B, C, so it will be another one more correction for the pullback in 3-way structure, and then it can fall also, because this is in WX, it's a W, intermediate W, X, this is the A, so B has to reach up to 26,800 like that in the 3-way structure, and then it can be dropped. So if it drop also, this is the A, B and C. C has to break this high, or it may or may not. If it break this high means then there is a irregular flat. If it didn't break this high, there is a chances to reach this zone. So 23. So let's see how it moves here. So my view is pull back and then a drop. After this drop, it has to break this 27,200 or 27,177, or it has a rare chance to break this 27,650 also to make an irregular flat. So this is my view, and one more last view is US oil. So according to that, what I said in UCAD, if it reached that 1.380, so there is a lot of chances. I have explained a lot of times. This could be a third wave end or A wave. This is still confusion is going on, but it is not over. It's not went above this 42.25 also, because that is also in, if it is a chances for making irregular flat, the 1272 is a 42.32, so it is in the same valid for that irregular flat. So now what I'm thinking is, maybe, yeah, in previous I told this is the end of the third, fourth, means fifth way could be a 1, 2, 3, the whole thing becomes a 4, and fifth, like that. Or it is in A, B here, so 3, 4, 1, 2, yeah, 3, and A, B, C. Yeah, it is not looking like a diagonal, but if it is a A, B, C, D, E is the end of the fourth way, means here, yeah, here, this is the end of the third, A, B, C, D, and E is the end of the E here, means fourth wave is ended. Fifth wave is also an 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So maybe it ended here. So it has a chances for ended here, or it could be a continuous a little bit one more high also, like this. I will once again, I will remove all those things. One, two, three. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, this could be a 3, and this could be a 4 and 5. Yeah, that could be an ending diagonal also in the fifth wave. There is still chances. Once the third wave is ended here, and if it is a fourth wave is ended here, and the fifth wave means fifth wave could be an ending diagonal. So 1, 2. So this high is the end of the third, fourth is in progresses. So fifth may end again to that 42.65, like that. So once it's complete the structure, it has to fall to 27 is my first target, or it could be here below, like this also, the 24.70. So let's see in this, but I'm not sure about this. This is a bigger drop, is for me it's looking like that. So whether if it goes above this high, it is not possible, I think so, because I'm expecting that UCAD has dollar strength is coming down. Sorry, dollar strength means UCAD has to come down. Sorry, UCAD has to break above that 1.6 to 1.7, sorry, 1.37, like that. Sorry for I'm a little bit tired. So I think I completed, and hold these things: DXY, Euro USD, GBP, AU, NU, USD, USD, JPY, CHF, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin. Yeah, I think I completed everything. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot of things in my analysis. So thanks for watching, and thanks for giving the likes for me, and for sharing my videos also. Have a nice week. So this, and be sure about that gold and the have and watch for that aggressive. Don't enter in that buy side. It is my kind advice. Be a speculator in this zone. Don't to be a player if don't have know about the rules and regulations in the playing the games. So like that you have a rule for the uh, beautiful trade setup to enter. So without knowing that, don't be a player without knowing anything. So thanks for watching this week and this stream. So have a nice day and have a nice week. Thank you.